Are you struggling to make ends meet despite working hard? Ever wondered why your bank account never seems to grow? Today on No Money, we're diving deep into the 7 reasons why you might find yourself broke, and more importantly, how to fix it. From common pitfalls to actionable solutions, this video will uncover the habits and mindsets that could be holding you back financially. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your financial situation, understanding these factors is key to achieving long-term stability and success. Let's get started. Reason 1. You are lazy.
You're fucked. So when I say people are lazy, they go, I'm not lazy, I work hard every day. You work 8 hours a day? You work 8? The fuck? If I'm awake, I'm working. I'll be driving my Bugatti Chiron through Dubai, working. I'm texting at the same fucking time. I don't take a second off. I don't take a minute off. I don't relax. I don't rest. I don't stop. I don't chill. None. Ever. I'm either asleep or at work. That's it. Second I wake up, I check my phone, I begin working. I go to the gym in between sets, I am working. I'm online working the entire fucking day until the second I go to sleep, I am at work. That is all I do. And you are at home competing against me, and you want to watch a movie tonight and then say you're not lazy. You're fucking lazy, and you're gonna lose forever.
Laziness can be a significant barrier to financial success. While everyone has lazy moments, chronic laziness prevents you from achieving your goals. Success requires hard work, dedication, and sometimes significant sacrifice. If you avoid the effort required to advance in your career or business, you'll likely remain stuck in financial instability. Procrastination and a lack of initiative can lead to missed opportunities and stagnant growth. Overcoming laziness involves developing discipline, setting clear goals, and maintaining a strong work ethic. By pushing yourself to take consistent, productive action, you'll improve your chances of financial success. Remember, it's not about working harder, but smarter, finding efficient ways to accomplish your tasks and staying focused on your long-term objectives. By breaking free from the grip of laziness, you can unlock your potential and start building a more secure financial future. Reason 2. You don't invest in your education.
It's no surprise that high potential leaders leave a company when they feel there's no more room to grow, even if they have a great title. Star team members are driven people. They're driven by constantly learning new things and being challenged. And without ongoing personal and skill development, they feel like their career quickly becomes stagnant. So what's the fix here? They need to be challenged, and marketing leadership needs to invest in their growth and development. This can take the form of new projects that challenge them and push them outside of their comfort zone where they learn new things. It can also take the form of sending people to conferences, but don't fall into the trap of just relying on conference trips. Most conferences don't teach much of anything useful when you actually get back to the office and you have to apply it to the job. It's better to find in-depth training that teaches something very specific. High potential leaders might seem like they're on autopilot, but they're not. They want learning and development and coaching and growth as much as the next person.
Investing in education is crucial for financial success. Many people stop learning after graduating, missing out on the benefits of continuous education. In today's rapidly changing world, staying informed and updated with new skills is essential. Investing in courses, workshops, and self-study programs can open doors to better job opportunities and higher earning potential. Education enhances your knowledge, competence, and confidence, enabling you to make better financial decisions. Take inspiration from successful individuals who prioritize learning and self-improvement. Make reading a habit, attend seminars, and engage with educational content regularly. By investing in your education, you're investing in your future. The more you know, the more you can achieve. So prioritize learning and growth, and watch as new opportunities and financial rewards come your way. Remember, education is a lifelong journey, and the knowledge you gain today will pave the way for a brighter financial future. Reason 3. You don't pay attention to taxes. Ignoring taxes can significantly impact your financial health. Taxes are often the largest expense for many individuals, yet few take the time to understand and manage them effectively. By neglecting tax planning, you may end up paying more than necessary, reducing the amount of money you can save or invest. Educate yourself on tax laws, deductions, and credits to optimize your tax strategy. Consider consulting with a tax professional to ensure you're taking advantage of all available benefits. Proper tax planning can help you retain more of your income, which can be used for investments or savings. Remember, paying taxes is essential for supporting public services, but overpaying is not. By being proactive and informed about your taxes, you can keep more of your hard-earned money and enhance your financial stability. Take control of your taxes to secure a better financial future. Reason 4. You don't model success. Modeling success means learning from those who have already achieved what you aspire to. Many people struggle financially because they try to figure everything out on their own. Instead, seek out mentors, join mastermind groups, and study the habits and strategies of successful individuals. By observing and emulating their actions, you can avoid common pitfalls and accelerate your own success. Successful people often leave clues through their behaviors, decisions, and mindsets. Learn from their experiences to save time, money, and effort. Surround yourself with high achievers who inspire and challenge you to grow. Whether it's through books, courses, or personal relationships, immerse yourself in the wisdom of those who have walked the path before you. By modeling success, you gain valuable insights and shortcuts to achieving your financial goals. Remember, success leaves clues, and by following them, you can create a roadmap to your own financial prosperity. Reason 5. You are unaware of your money mindset. Your money mindset plays a crucial role in your financial outcomes. It encompasses your beliefs, attitudes, and emotions towards money. If you have a negative or limiting mindset, it can hinder your financial growth. For instance, believing that money is scarce can create stress and prevent you from taking risks or investing. Conversely, a positive money mindset fosters abundance and confidence in your financial decisions. Take time to reflect on your money beliefs and challenge any negative thoughts. Cultivate a mindset of abundance by focusing on opportunities rather than limitations. Practice gratitude for what you have and set clear financial goals. By shifting your money mindset, you open yourself up to new possibilities and greater financial success. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality. A positive, empowered money mindset can lead to smarter financial choices, increased wealth, and a more secure financial future. Reason 6. You pay no attention to the return on your time. Time is one of your most valuable assets, yet many people fail to manage it effectively. Treating time as an investment means focusing on activities that yield the highest return. Evaluate how you spend your time and eliminate or delegate tasks that don't contribute to your long-term goals. Prioritize high-impact activities that drive your financial success. Automation, delegation, and outsourcing can free up your time for more critical tasks. By being mindful of how you use your time, you can increase productivity and achieve better results. Remember, time is money. Every minute spent on unproductive activities is a missed opportunity to grow your wealth. Develop a habit of regular time audits to ensure you're investing your time wisely. By maximizing the return on your time, you enhance your efficiency and create more opportunities for financial growth and success. Reason 7. You always hang out with broke people.
There's one rule. There's one rule. When you start to have money, when you start to have wealth, and you know what that rule is? We don't hang with broke people. And the reason why we don't hang with broke people, because they can never understand the financial transactions.
Your social circle significantly influences your financial habits and mindset. Surrounding yourself with broke or financially irresponsible individuals can drag you down and reinforce negative behaviors. Conversely, spending time with successful, financially savvy people can inspire and motivate you to improve your financial situation. Seek out relationships with individuals who challenge you to grow and support your financial goals. Engage in conversations about financial success, share knowledge, and learn from each other's experiences. Networking with high achievers exposes you to new opportunities and valuable insights. If your current social circle is holding you back, consider expanding your network to include more positive influences. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. By choosing to associate with successful, driven individuals, you can elevate your own financial mindset and actions, leading to greater financial success and stability. Understanding these 7 reasons why you might be broke is the first step towards transforming your financial future. By addressing these challenges head-on and implementing actionable strategies, you can take control of your finances and pave the way to lasting prosperity. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to No Money for more practical tips on mastering your finances. Together, let's build a solid foundation for financial success. See you next time.